Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Algolia Cloud Search step by step clearly. To activate Algolia Cloud Search, start by logging into your Algolia account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the Create Index button. Click on Create Index to start setting up your search index. Next, enter a name for your index in the provided field. After naming your index, click on Create to proceed. Once the index is created, go to the API Keys section. In the API Keys section, you will see your default API key and admin API key. Make sure to copy the admin API key for later use. Now, head to the Data tab to begin adding records to your index. Click on Add Records to input your data. You can either upload a JSON file or manually input records. If uploading a file, select it from your local directory. Once the records are added, return to the dashboard. Next, navigate to the Search tab to test your index. In the search box, type a query that matches your records. Observe how Algolia returns results based on your input. To further customize your search, go to the Ranking section. Here, you can adjust the ranking criteria according to your needs. After making changes, click Save to confirm your settings. Finally, integrate Algolia into your application by using the provided API keys. Follow the integration documentation specific to your platform for guidance. With these steps completed, your Algolia Cloud Search is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.